I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the DHEA 50 cream. This is for cellulite, those unwanted areas on your legs and under your arms as we start to get older, or we're losing weight and we need to firm that up. I love the smell of this. It smells like a cinnamon creme brulee, and it absorbs in really well. It's not oily at all. What I really like too is, of course, that it has a lot of all natural ingredients in it. You can see the list there. It includes aloe vera, olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, sunflower, just everything you can think of that's good for your body and good for your skin. The DHEA added, I have found, does definitely bump this up to make it work a little faster than some of the others. It is an ingredient that they have tested recently and found that it definitely helps you get that result that you want a little bit faster. I've used both with the DHEA and without, with just all natural ingredients, and I have found that this one did work a little bit faster for me. I've had good results for it, and I think you should give it a try. It's definitely worth it.